All right, so we're here. That green building back there is the Fountain of Fair Fortune, which is an outdoor. No. Wrong. That is the Hopping Pot, which is an outdoor bar and pub. Yes, they serve alcohol here. Yeah, and butterbeer. So, yeah. This dark cavernous hole is the entrance to Nocturne Alley. And if you know anything about Harry Potter, Nocturne Alley is the dark alley. Is the area for dark wizards to shop and peruse. This is Flourish and Blots, at least a facade to Flourish and Blots. And we have monster books and in a cage, undulating. There's a lot of hair and loose book pages. So the park also has interactive wands, which are wands that you could use in certain windows of the park. This is Pottage's Cauldron Shop. This isn't one of them, but when you find them, there is a little medallion on the floor that has the spell and the shape that you make with your wand. I'm actually going to go to one that's hidden. This is Madame Malkin's robes for all occasions. That's where you get robes and clothing items. Here we are. And there's a door that goes into Shutter Buttons. Shutter Buttons used to be an owl, like, repository. Creepy mannequins. They have replicas of Hermione's Yule Ball dress here. Robes. These are Ravenclaws. Hufflepuff. More Hufflepuff. Oh, Gryffindor and Slytherin are on this side. Hats. Here's the mirror. It's an enchanted mirror that either compliments or tells you what's wrong with your outfit. I think it's dark in here. It's too dark. And this is a animated dress. There's a projector on the bottom that makes the pattern on the dress change. More displays. I do believe that everything in these displays are on sale as well. You just have to ask one of the employees. Ravenclaw pillow. There's no Ravenclaw pillows? So I believe Professor Gilderoy Lockhart's robes. Prophet is there. Hogwarts school books sold in that shop. This is Shutter Buttons, which is a photo studio, but they also create these special DVDs that you can take home, videos of yourself and your friends in picture frames. So Shutter Buttons is a photo studio, and you'll see there's a green screen back there where you can record videos and get it made onto a DVD. So it's something like this. Okay, so here's one of the windows that has a hidden effect in it. It is in front of the apothecary shop called Slug and Jigger's Apothecary, and there is a pot inside here. I'm trying to find the sensor. Oh, there it is. And what you do is you make a triangle shape and then a curve at the bottom. So up, down, curve, and it should go off. Nope. Okay. It's right there. There it goes. And what it does is it makes a smell, and this pot of what appears to be dung expands.
You see them?
And there's Ollivanders, the side entrance. I'm gonna go in there in a little bit and get my wands repaired. I have 3 wands that I'm carrying right now, and 2 of them are bent. And if you go in there and ask for a wand repair, they will go in and quote-unquote repair them. Basically, they'll take them inside and replace them. And this is Gringotts Bank and the Dragon. So I go here all the time. There is Gringott in golden form as a statue on a pile of coins. To my left here is Florian Fortuse's ice cream shop. Great place to get lots of flavored ice creams. Coffee if you request it, and butterbeer ice cream is like one of the most delicious things. And strawberries and cream is like one of the best ice creams there as well. So I'm ordering ice cream I've never tried before. If you come here, the first thing you should always get is the butterbeer ice cream. I've had it several times, love it. I'm just trying something different. I'm getting the pistachio vanilla because it seems interesting and I want to give it a try. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, side note, if you are an annual pass holder, you can use your preferred pass and higher to get discounts on food and merchandise in the parks. So get one. This store. This is the Magical Menagerie, which is where you get your magical animals. They're dolls, of course, but they have these displays with animals in them, and I love them. There is a griff. There is a what looks like a phoenix, but it's not. It's like a bird's body, but the head is in the face is in the body. So this is one of the medallions. You make the shape of a U to the left and then go down, and it makes the bird sing. And here we are, Magical Menagerie. As you can see, it's stuffed animals, shoulder pets, dragons, birds. There is a cat up there. I forgot the species name, but I love the design of this store. Actually, I love the design of all the stores. It's just that this one has animals in it, and I love animals. Let's see. This is the eggs. Great attention to detail. You can even see they painted on dried bird poop onto the nest. And these are two large animatronic toads. But my favorite animal here are these bioluminescent slugs that are in these domes in here. I'll try to get around. You can't see it right now. It's moving, but at night you can see a little bit of red in there. At night the shells glow and change color. And it's really cool. I love these guys. There's two of them. There's one up there. Right. Good stuff. Okay. Excuse me. Over here is the Fountain of Fair Fortune, which is a bar and pub. But it's indoor. But it's just a line to get butterbeer and such. Here's the menu: butterbeer, frozen butterbeer, fishy green ale, gilly water, which is just water, wizard's brew, dragon scale, draft beer, and fire whiskey. I'm gonna get frozen butterbeer. Okay. Thank you. You too. Thank you so much. So, this is what it looks like. It's like a slushie with a marshmallow foam cream at the top. And this restrooms are here. There are no restrooms inside the leaky cauldron. If you need to use the restroom, you have to go outside and come here. And it's a theme park reason. It's not, it's not because they didn't have space. That's probably one of the reasons why, but And these are additional entrances into Nocturne Alley. Borgen and Burke's is inside there as well.